Are you earning around 40,000 o di kaya may makukuha kang co-borrower to meet that required income at naghahanap ka ng house and lot na malapit lang sa Manila at airport at accessible lang din to Alabang? Guaranteed safe and secured ang family mo because you are inside an exclusive and complete township? Then continue watching. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido together with Pau, and for today we're here in our Alice model here at Lancaster, New City, Cavite. Perfect na to for a starting family kasi may 3 bedrooms ka na, 1 toilet and bath, carport, at syempre, meron ka pang extra lot where you can expand upon turnover. What I like about this unit is semi-complete finished turnover na to. Kaya tiles na lang ang kulang at pwede mo nang lipatan to agad once ma-turnover sa'yo. Modern na nga rin ang layout. Ang pinaka-nagandahan pa ako dito is the community itself kasi complete na ang amenities at even malls and schools meron na rin tayo. Kaya naman, family-friendly talaga ang community. At alam mo bang, this is around 14,000 lang sa Pag-ibig kaya sulit na sulit talaga. Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call